What's the meaning of abrasion? Abrasion. 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 An abrasion is a type of wound that occurs when the skin is scraped or rubbed away. It is usually caused by a fall, a collision, or a sharp object. Abrasions can range in severity from mild to severe. Mild abrasions may only cause superficial damage to the skin, while severe abrasions may expose the underlying muscle or bone. Abrasions can be painful and may bleed. They can also become infected if not properly cleaned and treated. The treatment for an abrasion depends on its severity. Mild abrasions can usually be treated at home with soap and water, antibiotic ointment, and a bandage. Severe abrasions may require medical attention. The doctor may clean the wound, remove any foreign objects, and prescribe antibiotics. In some cases, the doctor may need to stitch the wound closed. Abrasions usually heal within a few days. However, they may leave a scar. The scar will fade over time, but it may never completely disappear. Here are some tips for preventing abrasions. Wear protective gear, such as gloves and helmets, when participating in activities that are likely to cause abrasions. Be careful when walking on rough surfaces. Watch out for sharp objects. If you do get an abrasion, clean it immediately with soap and water. Apply antibiotic ointment and a bandage.